come to Users, Add User, select the domain in which we're adding the user to. We're going to add it with defaults. We're going to do this in standalone mode. The username can be in the format of a email address or in the form of a DN. Here we're going to use a 7-digit number. The password for the account and the first name, last name is the caller ID information. The email address is supporting other services like voicemail to email, such like that. Service sets, we have various bundles here as to, a basic user who might be like a residential user, non-SLA user in my situation, is a power user from an enterprise perspective, and then we have bridge lines in the system, which are primary and secondary users. We're going to do an enterprise user here. Active status, locations. This is equivalent to using ELINs in an enterprise location in order to drive address information to emergency services. The business phones, cell phones, etc., are more like a V-card information. Time zones, this is for time of day routing. English language, home language, this drives presentations within the personal agent clients and some of the soft clients as to languages used, as well as announcements and the language used for the announcements. And then, of course, location in order to drive home country. Class of service here, we are going to drive the North American direct dial. Here you'll see everything from a suspended all the way up to a maintenance position. So North American direct dials allows for national dialing. Redirection classes of service, this is what's needed to support transfers and SIM rings, simultaneous rings from a off-system capability perspective. Extended data, if we wanted to insert short dialing capabilities there, so if we wanted to do 4-digit dialing between extensions within the enterprise, we can here just add an alias, and then here we are going to add a directory number, and this is going to be what is used publicly. So I'm going to save that information. You see we are setting up some of the base capabilities within the solution with some of the settings of voicemail server, what's the login ID, meet me access codes, what are the public and private DNs. So from a private perspective, I could shorten this to a 7-digit, and I would see 7 digits internally and then 10 digits externally. And then my active account from a unified communications perspective. I'm going to go ahead and save that, and we have now completed the addition of a user.